There are a lot of failed AI projects in last 2 years. I'm going to focus on failed AI projects in the area of data science. When an AI project in the area of data science fails, it results into some credit loss, loss of revenue which otherwise you could have gained, and lost opportunity. All these result into loss of market share, loss of profitability, and everything. If you just go on LinkedIn and just put failed AI projects, you will get lot of articles. You can search some of them. You can pause video and you can read the summary. However, high level, if you think of, people are saying that there are many projects which are gathering digital dust. It has led to 10 million pound of graveyard. There are some data science team which never spoke to each other and all those things, never spoken to each other and all those things. Overall, if you look at these, simply means that there are several AI projects which are going into graveyard. What you can do to save yourself? First, let's understand the reason why it is failing. They are failing because there is a lack of domain knowledge. Many times, AI developers are unaware of the industrial practices of data science and machine learning usage. They know the AI part, but they are not knowing how it is getting used and how it is resulting into business benefits. And these typically disjointed set, a separate AI developer who are knowing how to use AI but not knowing how it will make an impact to the end user, and data science team, and data science team very familiar with the data science technique but not knowing how to use AI. Ultimately, the end results are failing miserably. And most often than not, there is not a single person who has into understanding like how the data comes and how ultimately it leads to the final impact. It is also because of wrong usage of tool. Sometimes some of those AI tools are getting applied in areas which requires visualization, or let's say table, and the AI developer are giving chat options and vice versa. Sometimes, so what you can do to save yourself from the graveyard of these AI projects? Our recommendation will be that especially in data science area, you should go for an approach which is risk free. We recommend that you should try extreme ML, which is by Pro-DataScience, 2 days. Extreme ML by Pro-DataScience is from analytics users for the analytics user. Here, the developer themselves have used AI and they have used data science for ages to develop solution, and they have themselves applied AI inside the tool so that it can really help data science team. So it's not a disjointed set of people. Here, the AI developer are those people who themselves are data science users for very long, and they have put many decades of collective experience in the tool. The leadership of Pro Data Science team has millions of viewer on YouTube, many thousands on Udemy, and they have trained several thousand people physically. They know what causes confusion in the mind of data science developer, and that's the kind of collective experience that they have put in this tool. You just don't need to believe them. Not that whatever they are saying that you just believe them. The best way is that you try on your own before you accept it. My recommendation would be that you should send some 20 people from different verticals, so that you could know that okay, it is matching different kind of requirement or not, of the propensity model development, of the visualization, of the querying data and all those things. And for physical session, why physical session? So that people can really interact with the developer on their own. We propose that two of us, myself and my partner Mr. Rajesh Davar, will be there. Let 20 people try their hand on the tool directly for 2 days, which means each individual is trying their hand on the tool for approximately 16 hours total, 320 hours. And what will it mean? It will actually mean that you will get to know that this product is in beta stage or fully ready. Because sometimes even the big organization gets actually some tool which is in the beta stage by some other enterprise, and that another enterprise just becomes a beta tester. No, come and see that this product is in beta stage or fully ready. Secondly, you can see that here AI is assisting you or acting as a master. There are several places where AI is acting as a master. First, give me this kind of data and in this layout, then I'll start working. Look at here that AI is really assisting you or is acting as a master. You can also see that this product is truly zero code or not. There are many solutions which talks of zero code, but very confusing. Look at this tool is, and when 20 people are working simultaneously, does it crash? They'll get to know that is it really can work in a multi-testing, multi-user environment or not? And is it really intuitive or not? Do people really understand how to use it by just seeing and they can easily adopt it? Or it is really difficult? And more than anything, you should see it's really versatile or not. Does it solve a variety of problem or it just solving a very specific problem and talking like is it the panacea of everything? So you can see that it's really serves the purpose or not. And what is that? How does it help? Think of in just 2 days of training cost. What we are asking, just 2 days of training cost. In 2 days, we'll open the tab of our software and we'll provide the data set. You can bring your own data also if you have the data. Otherwise, we'll provide you the data set. We are open the tab of our software. You try your hand. In 2 days, you'll get to know for which you actually spend millions and you spend many months, many man hours, and then you get to know that's working or not. Here in 2 days, you'll get a feel that it's working or not, it is helping me or not. And the training obviously will be very BFSI specific, so you'll get to know that some real life solution does it provide or not. You will see the power of tool, especially in the areas of that is does it provide industry standard predictive modeling? There are some softwares which provide you predictive modeling, but completely black box, and you give even 250 variable, it will develop model on 250 variable. Can it really work and give you parsimony model like industry standard, which where by working with small data set, small variables also you can get almost the same power? And what is the benefit? It will give you actionable insights for optimization. It will give you explainable model, no black box, explainable model where you understand what does model do. It will help you to do visual analysis where you are just going on the tool and able to analyze the data. You can see that does it have text mining, time series forecasting. Text mining means like it can analyze text. Time series forecasting means it can forecast and give you the future trend. Collaborative filtering, statistical analysis, does it help you to prepare data or not? So it will give you everything of that sort. Does it give you easy documentation or not? With extreme by Pro-Data, you are not getting a blind solution. You are actually getting a solution which is bound to revolutionize your data science practices with AI. Come and experience it just for 2 days training cost, nothing. I'll recommend you to contact us and get into a workshop where you can really experience the power of AI in the data science area. Thank you so much for listening.